Hey guys, so the full details of the Blackview BL9000 Pro has been unveiled, guys. So in this video we explore the top features of this device. This is the Pro version of the Blackview BL9000 that was released a few weeks ago. Now this Pro version is a lot better than the normal Blackview BL9000. Now the Pro version comes with a thermal camera, guys, which is very nice because the BL9000 doesn't have a night vision camera, neither does it have a thermal camera. But the Pro version, this Pro version comes with a thermal camera, and it's the Flare Leptin 3.5, which is basically the latest thermal imaging technology from Flare. And of course I'll be comparing the BL9000 with the Pro version just to point out the differences and similarities between both rugged devices. So let's explore its top specifications and features. So the BL9000 Pro, just like the BL9000, is a 5G device. It is powered by the Dimensity 8020 processor, which has a clock speed of up to 2.6 GHz, and it's built on a 6nm process. The device also utilizes 12GB RAM, and it has 512GB internal storage. And the storage type is the UFS 3.1. The device supports both RAM and ROM expansion, which is nice. The RAM expansion is a virtual RAM expansion, or basically just a software feature, while you could expand the internal storage with a micro SD card. The phone has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display, which is the same display as the BL9000. The refresh rate is 120Hz, and it is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is very nice. It's the same setup as the BL9000. The device also packs a massive 8800 mAh battery, and it supports 120 watts fast charging. This battery life could easily last a week on a single charge, depending on how you use the device. And the 120 watts charging support is just nice. You know, it's a perfect combination, perfect charging speed for this insanely large battery capacity. In the camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup, including the thermal camera that I mentioned earlier. The main sensor is the Samsung GN5. It's a 50MP sensor, and according to Blackview, this device supports OIS, which is nice. It basically means optical image stabilization. It helps you take steadier photos and videos. And of course, the other camera is 13MP. That's the ultra wide angle lens, which also functions as an ultra macro lens. The front facing camera is 50MP, which is just perfect for selfies and video calls. The primary rear camera, which is the 50MP camera, can record up to 4K videos at 30 FPS, and the camera has different features, including panorama mode, super night mode, HDR mode, and finally it supports underwater camera. And of course there are other modes as well, such as beauty mode. So lastly, this device ships with the latest Android 14, and it has Blackview's custom skin on top, which is just nice. And in terms of dimension, the phone is said to be 17mm thick, and its weight 412 grams. Other features includes IP68 and IP69K ratings. It is also military grade standard A10H certified. It has stereo speakers. It supports NFC. It has glove mode, which means even if you're wearing gloves, the display will still function. The device also supports dual 5G voice over LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and so on, guys. And navigation features like GPS are also available, and of course sensors like gyroscope, accelerometer, proximity are all supported, guys. So these are the top specifications and features of the Blackview BL9000 Pro. The device is offered in splendid gold and interstellar black colorways, and it's going to be very affordable when it launches. And speaking of launch, the device is set to launch on the 15th of May. So what do you think about the BL9000 Pro? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.